Hello you guys, welcome to another crochet tutorial. Today we will learn how to make this beautiful crochet butterfly. It's easy, and if you're a beginner, you can do it with me. Let's get started. First, we will start with the first slip knot. Then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Close the circle with a slip knot. Then make a chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we make one double treble crochet. Leave the extra yarn behind and start filling the circle. Now we make 2 treble crochets. 1, and 2. We add 1 double crochet, chain 2, then finish the first butterfly wing with a slip knot. We make 2 chains, one double crochet, then 1 treble crochet, chain 3, and close the second wing with a slip knot like this. Now we chain 3, make 1 treble crochet, and 1 double crochet, chain 2, and close the third wing with a slip knot, like this. Now we start working at the final or the fourth wing. We chain 2, make 1 double crochet, then 2 treble crochets, add 1 double treble crochet, chain 6, and close the fourth wing with a slip knot. We add 1 chain and cut the yarn. Now we try to tie both ends of yarn together once, and for a second time try to cut. And the second one. And this is the final result. Isn't this a beautiful butterfly? It's easy, you can do it in less than 5 minutes, and even beginners can follow along with this tutorial. This butterfly can be used to decorate different crochet projects, and it's fun to make. See you in another video. Goodbye.